Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. So today we are going to start SST class chapter 4 part 3. Yesterday I finished chapter 4. Now today I am going to start exercise work from chapter 4. Please take out page number 30. We can do. Now we are going to do chapter 4 exercise work. Question answer, fill in the blanks and name the following. So we are going to start. Okay, in chapter 4 we have learned Indian political. Okay, India political. Okay, now we are going to start exercise work. Please take out your book. You can see there, tick the correct option. The highest mountain in the Himalayas is Kanchenjunga. Chota Nagpur is a plain, plateau or small city. Chota Nagpur is a plateau. You can write there. It grown in the desert. It is grown in the desert. What? Third desert में क्या grown होता है? Cactus. The Deccan region is a plateau. Now, an island in the Arabian Sea is, कौन सा island है Arabian Sea में? Lakshadweep. Name the following. The continent of India is located in South Asia. South Asia. Okay. The hill station in the Himalayas is, you can write Darjeeling and Simla or Darjeeling. Simla and Darjeeling. The other name of Blue Mountain is Nilgiri Mountain, Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills. The other blue mountain is called Nilgiri Hills. The animal which is called the sheep of the desert is camel. Desert में कौन सा animal चलता है for transportation? Camel. The landform surrounded by water on all sides we can call peninsula. Okay. Peninsula. We can call it peninsula. So, the continent in which India is located in South Asia. The hill station in the Himalayas is in Simla and in Darjeeling. The other name of Blue Mountain is the Nilgiri Hills. The animals which is called the sheep of the desert is camel. A landform surrounded by water on all sides we can call peninsula. Hence it is called peninsula. So these are the answer. You can do this in your copy. Homework. Do this in your copy. Okay. So now we are going to do next page. Take out next page. Page number 31. Fill in the blanks and question answer. Short question answer we are going to do there. So please take out page number 31. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the highest mountain peak in the Himalaya, lying in Nepal. Which? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in Himalayas, which is located in Nepal. Lying in Nepal. Sorry. Plains lying along a coastal line is called coastal plain. Coastal plain. You can write coastal plain. Okay. Now The northern plains are the northern plains, coastal plain. The northern plains region is called the dash of India. What is called the northern plains? The northern plains is called the dash of India. The desert is a, what is a desert? Area which receive very little rainfall or sandy. We can write sandy and rainfall. So, the northern plains area of a flat level land, many rivers flow through plains. Plains are densely polluted. The northern plains region is also called the large area of flat land and level land. Okay. So, you can write what the Deccan Plateau region is a rocky and so next short answer, which part of India, which water bodies are found on the three sides of India? Which water bodies? The southern part of which water bodies are found on the three sides of India? The southern part of India is triangular in shape and surrounded on three sides of water body. I am writing the answer here. So, look carefully. Okay. You can see, see properly the southern part of India. The southern part of India is triangular in shape and surrounded on three sides by water. Hence it is peninsula. Hence it is a peninsula. Okay. The southern part of India is a triangular shape and surrounded on three sides by water. Hence it is called peninsula. Which water bodies on the three sides of India? Which water bodies are found on the three sides of India? The southern part of India in triangular shape. Write the names of any four neighbors of India. I am telling you, what are they? Pakistan and Afghanistan on the north side, on northwest side, Bhutan and China, and Nepal in the northern, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. I am repeating the answer. Write the name of any four neighbor of India. Pakistan and Afghanistan on the northwest, Bhutan, China and Nepal in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east side. So you can write this answer. Number 3 question. What is peninsula? What is the part of which part of India is a peninsula? What is peninsula? A piece of land surrounded on three sides by water is called peninsula. 3 sides, triangular shape, right? I have told you yesterday. So, a piece of land surrounded by 3 sides by water is called peninsula. The southern part of India is a peninsula. So, question number 4, name a few minerals found in the plateau of India. What are the minerals that found in the plateau of India? Coal, iron ore, biscuit and limestone are some of the minerals that are found in India. Now, next answer, which island groups lie in Bay of Bengal? Andaman and Nicobar are found. Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in the Bay of Bengal. So these are the answer. Write the names of any neighbor of India. You can write any name. Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest, Bhutan, Nepal and China in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east side. Okay. Now third question, I am repeating the answer. So listen carefully and write in your copy. Number 3 question, what is a peninsula? Which part of India is a peninsula? A piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides by water is called peninsula. The southern part of India is called peninsula. Number 4, name the few minerals found in the plateau. What are the minerals that found in the plateau? Coal, iron ore, copper, biscuits and limestone are some of the minerals that are found in the India. Which island groups lie in Bay of Bengal? Andaman and Nicobar lie in the Bay of Bengal. So, these are the answer. Do this in your copy. Exercise A, exercise B, exercise C and exercise D. I have repeated the answer. So, you can write this in your copy. So, for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.